today we talk about how can you enable your comments notifications on your Braille app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to your comments. Just click in this sign here. That like you see this color show for us. That's mean your comments notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.